Hey everyone, it's Tiara, and tonight I'm going to show you how I make basil pesto. Well, tonight I'm making basil parsley pesto, but the technique is the same. You can find the complete version of this recipe that I'll be showing you on my website, cookingtoatea.com, but also there'll be a link in the description section, so make sure to check that out. I love basil pesto because it can go with pretty much anything. It's such a great way to use up herbs that are a bit on the wilty side. It's easy, and you can toss it in with some pasta. You can make it into a dressing. You can use it as a dip. You can throw it into some eggs if you want. You can put it on sandwiches. It's just so great to have, and to me it is a really great thing to make in the summer where things are pretty much seasonal. But you can also use any type of herb or leafy green vegetables. So I've made kale pestos, I've made kale and spinach pesto. You can also use make sun-dried tomato pesto as well. So, get creative with it, but I'm going to show you how I do it. It's going to go really, really quick. And then I'm going to use it later to make some chicken and pasta, as well as some chicken pesto that I'm gonna throw into a kale Caesar salad. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a bunch of curled leaf parsley and fresh basil that I rinsed and dried before placing it on my cutting board. I have 3 cloves of garlic, a couple of lemons, some Parmesan cheese, as well as some salt and pepper, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. Now, for this recipe, I am not using nuts, only because I don't have them with me right now, but you can also use pine nuts. In my recipe, you'll find that I'll use pistachio to add a bit to the graininess of this recipe, and also because pistachios were a cheaper option than pine nuts. Okay, so to my food processor, I'm gonna add in the herbs. This is gonna go so quick, y'all. And I'm gonna add in the garlic and the cheese. Then I'm going to get my top. I use this top to blitz the Parmesan cheese earlier. So, okay, then I'm just gonna blitz. See how it looks? All right, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of red pepper flakes. It's gonna be kind of spicy. And then I'm gonna add up some olive oil. Alexa, stop. Then I'm gonna add a squeeze of lemon. Brighten that up. Pepper. A little bit of salt. So after adding my salt and pepper, I gave it one more spin in the food processor, and this is the consistency I'm looking for. I love it thick just like this, but feel free to make it at the consistency that you desire. Okay, wasn't that easy? Super easy. It like in real time, it took like a couple minutes for me to put all of that together. So, I hope please try this recipe. Put it on some toast in the morning or for lunch. Throw an egg on top. Throw some bacon. Put it on your next chicken sandwich. Just use pesto. Use up your herbs and your greens to get creative with different pestos. There's no one right way to do it. You saw how I did mine. Like I said, I didn't even include nuts in this one just because I ain't have them, but I did it anyway. And now I'm going to put this in a jar and make dinner in a little bit using this fresh batch. And who knows, I may even have some for breakfast tomorrow. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please leave feedback and let me know what you think. If you tried the recipe, please send me an email or leave a comment. Also, if there's a specific recipe that you want me to make, please let me know. And please subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. If you are watching this on Instagram, please share and ask people to follow. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please like my page. So, all right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.